Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper jar or a bowl or anything you want. First, you have the paper, any paper, you have magazines, brochures, or any kind of paper. You fold it like this one, and then you cut it, and then fold again like this one, and then cut again, and then fold again this one, and then cut again until you make this cut papers, many. After you cut it, you need to fold it like this one. And then fold again. Something like you make an arrow, like that. And then fold it at the end. And then fold again. And then cut the remaining. And then until you can make this one, like this one. Very small, like a diamond. And there's two holes that here where you can connect the other folding papers like this one. I already have so many here. See? So you can connect it like this one. You open the hole and then connect, and then do it again. Connect. And then connect again. You need to connect and connect after you cut and fold the papers like this one. The longer you make, the bigger rings or the bigger ring you can make. This one. See? It's longer now, and I will make it longer. Much longer. Like this one. I already made one set here. So you can connect it. This one. Until you can make a big or a long. This one. Until you can make a ring. You don't need to put a glue when you make a ring. You just connect and connect. Okay? Like this one. See? This is a ring. No glue. Okay? This one. And I already made some. Many. Okay, and then I'm going to make a jar this time. I already have a hard paper here. This is the bottom. So I will make a jar. Put a glue. You need to press it. And then if you want to put another one, okay, put another glue. to do is to just add the rings that we made. Okay, like this one, I just made it. I made it 2 weeks ago. It's very strong already. I made it like a canister, so you can put anything in it, like this, or anything you want to put it here. See, it's very strong. And I already made the top or the cover if you wish to put it like that. And I have here, this is 6 years old already. See, this is a jar. I put anything in it. I made it like I put something or anything. This is paper necklace. I made it also. This is made of rolled papers. See? Very easy. You don't need to, you're not wasting your paper. Those the one cuts that you don't need anymore. You can make a paper necklace like this one. So this is it. So if you want to make bigger or higher jar, just put or add the rings until it make it higher or bigger. So enjoy and good luck.